Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at these tree trunk protectors. You've got two more narrow ones and then two wider ones. And you simply twist these around the trunk of your tree and it'll protect them from pests. It'll protect them from certain diseases and just allow them to grow and get to their full size possible. As you can see, I have applied two of these tree trunk protectors to my tree. This ensures that anything up to this height will be protected on the tree trunk. This protects it from pests, different animals that might want to chew at the trunk. Also, the tips right here can be a little sharp, so you can go ahead and cut those off like so, and then you won't cut your hand at all while you're installing it. As you can see, you can stretch these out very nicely. It also makes the installation very easy. Overall, I highly recommend these. If you have a garden, if you have a backyard that you want to plant trees in, thanks for watching.